Yo guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. I am George and this is You Wanna Watch. Today's something a little special. This is my celebration of reaching 1,000 subs. I couldn't have done it without you guys, so this one's for you. Today we're going to do a 12-inch rigid pipe wrench. For those of you that have been following my channel, you guys know that I'm a plumber, and I always said that I would never do a pipe wrench on my channel because I use one every day. So this one's strictly for you guys. I truly appreciate it. I say we jump right into it. Let's go. Alright guys, let's get a pretty good look at this thing. It is rusted up and looking nasty. I'd like to thank Miss Vera for graciously donating this wrench to the channel. I truly appreciate it. Thank you very much. Yeah, I say we tear right into it. Let's go. Oh, it doesn't want to move too good. All right, there we go. Yeah, this thing is in real sad shape. I think what I'm going to do is knock this little pin out right here. Knock that little pin out and get the lower jaw off. So let me set this up in the vise and I'll rearrange the camera. Alright, so now we got this thing completely apart. Let's give it a good look over. The jaw is in fairly decent shape. It still has the good hard edges to it. That's in good shape. Threads are all good on this too. Jaw's good. Thumb wheel, needs a really good cleaning, but I think we can make it happen. The jaw pin, that's still pretty good. And then the body itself, I kind of dinged the hell out of it right there, beating on it on the vise, but we're going to take all that out anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Right up here where the bottom jaw meets the body, that's where that real bad pitting is. So I'm going to have to grind a lot of this off here to make it look decent. So I'll show you after it's all wire wheeled up. And then the spring on the inside, that's still in good shape too. But all that needs a good cleaning as well. So, all right, let's take it to the wire wheel. Well, let's give this a couple of minutes to cool down. It's getting a little hot. So it's starting to come Starting to come together. Starting to come together. I'm liking it. Hope you guys are too. Get all that extra oil off there. Alright, so the first thing I want to do, I want to put the lower jaw back in. A little drop of oil around it. Make it a little easier to drive home. Alrighty. Alright guys, well there it is. What do y'all think? It came out pretty good, huh? I'm quite happy with it. This is the You Wanna Watch version of a pipe wrench restoration. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you guys stay tuned after the video. I've got an announcement to make. Alrighty guys, well we are all done with the 12-inch rigid pipe wrench. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. Really quick, I want to give another shout out to Miss Vera who graciously donated this wrench to the channel. I truly appreciate it, Miss Vera. Thank you. This is going to be my giveaway prize. We have reached 1,000 subs and I am totally excited. I want to thank each and every one of you guys. I couldn't have gotten there without you guys. So in lieu of my 1,000 sub giveaway, this is it right here. So if you guys want a chance to win this, you have to be 18 or older. I'm going to read some notes. You got to be 18 or older. In this video, you got to put the comment, "Stay safe, be safe," in the comment section. Between the dates of November 8th, which is today, and November 22nd, 2023. So I will announce the winner on the video for December 6th. So ignore any notifications that you might get from, I don't know, whatever, a bot or something like that saying, "Congratulations, you won," because that's just crap. That's not me. I will personally be announcing it December 6th. So I hope you guys enter to win. It's going to be this blingy pipe wrench. And that's it, guys. All right. We'll catch you on the next one. Stay safe, be safe. We'll see you next week with another video. Bye.